Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And remember, you're where everything is made with love in every stitch. And I'm here today for video number 2 of hashtag Let's Get Organized 2022. And today, I wanted to show y'all what I'm using for getting organized. I have these type of boxes here, and you can fit anything in them. Right now I have Happy Planner or playing cards and stuff like that in it. This is stuff that I'm going to alter, and as you can see, it's labeled cards to alter. Okay, I also have this little basket here that I can sort my items in. I can put like all my napkins in here to put them in something else. I can put all of my notepads in here. I can put different things until I put it in a container. So that's another way I'm organizing, using these to sort. And then I have these containers which I bought from Dollar Tree. As you can see, I have my thread in it, and it's labeled thread. Okay, that's how I'm using most of these boxes for, like, I'm reorganizing some drawer units that I got a while back on Amazon. And it has 5 drawers. There's 3 small ones and 2 big ones. And I'm using these to organize the drawers with. And this is how I have my stuff stored now. But I'm going to put them in these along with keeping them in here in these pouches so that it doesn't get all rattled around in the box. Okay, so that's another container that I'm using. Other things that I'm using are these zipper pouches to sort with. I seen this on Beth Schuler's channel. She alters them and sends Happy Meal, for people to win. She alters them and people win them. So I decided to use them to sort with. Okay, so I have those. And I also have these little baskets here where I can also, when I redo my shelves that's above me, I'm going to use these to put like all of my stencils, my stamps, because what doesn't fit in this will be tossed. Whatever doesn't fit in these here for my drawers will be donated or put in a giveaway. The same thing with the little baskets. Whatever doesn't fit, I don't toss anything unless it's really old. So I would be either donating what doesn't fit or what I don't want or don't use. I will be donating or doing a giveaway with everything or putting it in for, like, when I do sales or when I do lives to do giveaways. So that's another way I'm using for storage. So let me put all this back together. Another way you can use to sort your items and store them is these little containers like this. You can put your beads, you can put your small charms in it, you can put paper clips in them and stack them. Okay, that's one. And then I have this magazine thing here, magazine holder, whatever you want to call it. I have that also, and this is what I'm going to be storing my what they call it, my cardstock in. I can store my magazines in here, my 8.5 by 11 cardstock. I can put my printer paper in here. I can put labels in here, stuff that I'm going to be using, and it's going to be staying by my printer, will be put in these. Okay. Also, if you have any like clear packaging from the store, or you know, even tiny little baskets like this from Dollar Tree, you know, you can sort. Like here, I want to put like my markers. So I'll put these 2 markers in there, remove these, and all this will be my markers. You know, this is how I sort. And I'm doing the, there are 2 hashtag let's get organized challenges, that's open challenges going on right now. I'm hosting this one, which I stated on in my live on January 1st of 2022. So this is another way you can store, okay? You can also, the little plastic sterilite drawer containers, you can do that. Or you can also get these little boxes here from Dollar Tree. Now, for me, I have a little quill clip on here, but this is what I have in here. So when I open the drawer, I find all my stars. So that's it for this video. I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do subscribe and hit that big red, hit the notification bell next to the subscribe button, and to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Now, I'm going to do more videos of what I'm using for storage also in this organizational challenge. So, thank you all for watching. Please be blessed, be kind, be safe, be crafty, be organized. And I will see you all in the next video and on the flip side. Bye-bye for now.